The vegetation wakes each morning, ready for the pull, the twist, the test. Skunk Afghani branches meet the pressure like it's part of their breath. Every bend you lay across them only sharpens how they stand, turning stress into structure, turning force into command. You push the frame a little further, they answer with a rise. What should have slowed their growth becomes the fuel behind their